How to delete chat in Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can delete chat in Tinder, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete chats on Tinder, open up the Tinder application, and then let's say you happen to have a random number of chats and you would like to delete that chat. All you have to do is, in my case I don't have any chat because this is just a dummy account, but you can open up that chat, and once you open up that chat, what happens over here is that you will find the three dots next to that chat where you will find the delete message option. So once you select that delete message option, that chat is going to get successfully deleted. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically delete chat in Tinder. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.